Hi guys, I got a guy today. He submersed his key in water, obviously not on purpose. It's buggered, but he wanted a quick solution to get him running because he's really late for all his work, so he doesn't want this anymore. So we'll try and fix this at another date for a genuine key. We're going to stick in a brand new transponder and get it programmed to his MK7 Transit. So he wants a quick, easy solution, cheapest as well, as usual. So we'll split it. There you go. Caught my finger, but it's fine. We'll split this case and we'll just glue. Well, I'm gonna blue tack one of these in. You can't glue them because glue is corrosive and eats the carbon. So a big blob of blue tack will do. Yeah, so I use super chips, so we're going to make this to the correct one. So I'm just going to dab that in there like this, where it's really, really sticky, and make sure it holds. Sorted. Next we'll create the chip, and then we'll program it using TDB today. Agree. No, wrong one. No, it's the right one. There you go. Make sure that's today. So we'll see what happens now. Okay, done. Now we're gonna go get it programmed, and off we tots. The battery's not the best, but it'll do for the sake of this job. I don't think I've ever had a Transit with a good battery. Oh, wrong button. It's 2012, but anywhere from 2006 up will cover this model. Add one key. Keep roaming done. Okay. Off. On. Job done. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.